So here I've discussed about the two important options. How to give access to the multiple users on your Google Webmaster and Google Analytics option. So we activate for the Google Analytics for a particular website. You activate for the Google Search Console for a particular website. How to give access to the multiple users? What is the reason of you can give for multiple user access? The main option is called they can check for spam related. So your company owner, so you can access to the your employee, the webmaster access, where you can getting problem, spam containing. This is all checking purpose. Webmaster and analytics will be needed. That is called one website you can set up only for one time. You can give access to the multiple users. One setup is done for analytics and webmaster. You can give access to the multiple user. Suppose if you access by multiple user, multiple setup will be not required. One setup you can access to the multiple user. So my website is called Book Your Properties. I'm adding for Google Webmaster. This is a one kind of Gmail. Next one I'm adding for my Gmail is a one kind of Gmail. When you're searching for Google Webmasters, is it not available? When available any kind of Google Webmaster tool, now I'm adding for two type of email IDs then approved by your another Gmail ID access. So first of all, I can go for particular website option. Just click. After selecting website, click for setting option. Here will be option call is users and property owner. Here adding for my owner will be two options. Full options and restricts. So you can access by the full version and give access by your email ID. So I'm adding Gmail here. Next one, after verify purpose, I can go for verify details. Add your owner here. Add my two owners. Now coming to your another email. Just check. Once refresh. Control F. Control V. And check this option. Previous does not found. After activation, it will found for another Gmail. So we can access for the multiple Gmail address for your Google Webmaster tool. Same like that, we can access from your Google Analytics also. That is called just open for your Google Analytics option where analytics.google.com/analytics/web. It's a direct URL analytics.google.com/analytics/web. Once open this analytics, we can access to the multiple users. Access to the multiple users. That option call is go to select your website. After clicking for admin panel, which one? Admin panel. Just here. Where I'm clicking for admin. In this admin, the option call is accounts. Option call is accounts. In this accounts, the option call is user management. In this user management, we can add for n number of Gmails. One website access to for analytics and search console, we can give access to the multiple users. Select it. Add your Gmail. You can give for full permissions. Now click for add. So many Gmails you have? Totally 2 Gmails. N number of Gmail we can add by using here. So for checking purpose, it is active or not. Just copy this URL. Open for tab. Select it. Copy. Select by the analytics option. So we can open site. Take this. this site and book your properties. Is it clear? This is called we can give access to the your search console option and Google Analytics option. The purpose of simple it is checking for live traffic purpose. Refresh is it working or not? Is it applicable or not? First you can check for here. Which one? Click for real time. Click for overview. The code is eligible for your another Gmail address. So checking for based on live traffic. How many members are there? Right now, one member. Now coming to this site. How many members are there? One member. How to check? Real name, click for overview. When change page, automatically your live traffic also will be changed. Just home page. After that, select for contact us. So take this option. Done. So analytics will activate for the two Gmail address. So this is called we can check the website live traffic in multiple email address. That is called full permission and temporary permission for restrict permission for the each and every website. This is called access to the Google webmaster and Google Analytics for tracking, report and analysis website purpose.